What up, what up? It's your boy again with another video. And on this video, I'm finna plasti dip my bumper. Yeah, I'm finna plasti dip my front bumper. You know how they come on these cars. Net headlight down the middle to the other end. So I'm finna use this plasti dip, the matte black. Finna go on and do some things I really ain't had time to do. But I'm trying to go and do it. I don't know what the weather gonna do, cause it said I'm supposed to rain, but these dark clouds keep passing by. I don't know what to say. But I'm finna go and tape off the area. I don't want no overspray on, and let's get to it.
Like that. Yeah, no. I'm gonna be so petty.
Shut up.
I'm gonna go put my finger.
Got 4 coats. Making sure it's even. So now I bought a gloss clear coat for to finish it off. I was gonna do just the middle part, but I got a couple more ideas in my head. I'm gonna leave this paint on until tomorrow morning just to make sure it's dry. But I think, man, it'll come out real good, man. And I tried to keep this video short. Sorry I had to fast forward, but y'all see what I did. Make sure you put the tape, you go extend out enough so you won't have no overspray, because the wind is blowing probably about 13 miles per hour right now. But you know, I try to keep my videos within 5 minutes because people attention span ain't that long. Plus, I don't like watching no video 10 minutes long neither, just to get. So I'm short, sweet, to the point. So I'll release this video sometime tomorrow. I don't know. I get time. Still ain't did my mirror. I'm procrastinating, but it is what it is. But I think it's gonna be super fire. Alright, y'all, it's the next day. I moved my car about an hour ago because it was over there in the shade. I wanted to make sure it's 100% dry. So I let it sit overnight, and man, it looks real good. So now I guess I'm about to go and pull the tape off. Let's go. Bam. All the tape off. Now tell me that ain't badass. That joker look mean. I did pretty good for my first time. Pretty simple. Ain't perfect other than that spot right there, because I was pulling off too fast. But hey, I don't care. Man, that joker look good, man. I was just gonna do the middle part. I think I already said this, but I was gonna just do the middle like a regular charger, but I want to get a little creative and add my own little twist, because I like this thing different. Because it's like thousands of chargers where y'all stay. I'm pretty sure y'all know charger challenges. I like to do a little something to stand out. I like to be different. I don't like to be the same. And I'm thinking about adding a little decal in the middle to go across the front of the bumper, like right there in the middle. I don't know what I want, so I'm gonna sit here and brainstorm. And I guess that's it, man. I'm happy with the outcome. And like I said on the last video, I shouldn't have 1,000 views and only 30, 40 subscribers, man. It only take 1 or 2 seconds to hit subscribe and like, man. Come on, man. Show me some love, man. And also, you want a daily laugh, man? You feeling down? Hey, add me on Snapchat, Project P24, PROJECT P24, and the same thing for Instagram. And I'm I'm big headed right now, man. But that's it for this video, man. I'll do the mirrors whenever I got things to do. I'll finish that up some other time. But this is my own little creation, man. I'm still thinking about doing the hood. I'm not sure. But till next time, man, peace out.